Namo Namaha, myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Swagatam Tapodhanayaha. Sanskrit literature is rich with poetry, prose as well as drama. Sanskrit dramas are inspiration to many foreign playwrights like Shelley, Shakespeare, etc. Among them, the many Sanskrit playwrights, Bhuvbhuti is considered a respectable writer. Uttaramcharit by Bhuvbhuti is the most celebrated one among all his works. This particular passage is from the second act of Uttaramcharit. The play depicts the life of the Lord Rama and Sita after war with Ravan or after the coronation of the Ram. This dialogue narrates how the first ever poetry composed in classical Sanskrit language came into being on the earth. So let's see the conversation. Swagatam Tapodhanayaha. Swagatam, welcome. Tapodhana means a lady tapasvi, a lady hermit. And Tapodhanayaha, the one who rich due to the penance. The one who rich due to the penance. Nepathe. Swagatam Tapodhanayaha. At the backstage. Nepathe means at the backstage. Swagatam Tapodhanayaha. Welcome to the one who is rich with penance. Penance means tapasvi, hermit, a female hermit. Tatha pravishati advakavesha tapasi. Then enters a female hermit in the disguise of a traveler. Advakavesha in the disguise of a traveler. Vanadevata means a forest deity. Vanadevata. आर्ये का पुनः अत्र भवति किं प्रयोजनं दण्डकारण्यं प्रवेशस्य. ओ नोबल लेडी, का पुनः अत्र भवति. हू आर यू. किं प्रयोजनं. व्हाट इज द पर्पज. दण्डकारण्य प्रवेशस्य. व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ कमिंग टू दण्डकारण्य फॉरेस्ट. आत्रेय गिव्स द आंसर. आत्रेय. अस्मिन् प्रदेशे बहवः अगस्त्यादयः मुनयः निवसन्ति. In this region, Asmin Pradesh, in this region, many sages like Agasti stay in this region. Stay in this region. Many sages like Agasti stay in this region. Tebhyah Vedanta Vidyam Adhigantum Atra Agata. From them, from him, I have come here. Atra Agata. I have come here to gain the knowledge of Vedantas from him, from them. Tebhyam is them. I have come here to gain knowledge of Vedanta from them. Valmiki Maharshihi Ashramat Iha Agata Asmi. Agata Asmi. I have come. I have come from the hermitage of great sage Valmiki. I have come from the hermitage of great sage Valmiki. Vanadevata. अहो आश्चर्यम्. अन्ये मुनयः वेदान्तज्ञानार्थं वाल्मीकिं ऋषिम् उपगच्छति. कथम् अत्र भवति तस्य आश्रमात् अत्र अटति. अन्ये मुनयः, all other sages उपगच्छति, go to the वाल्मीकिं ऋषिं, go to the sage Valmiki ऋषि. वेदान्तज्ञानार्थं, for the knowledge of Vedanta, for the knowledge of Vedanta. What a surprise! All other sages go to the sages like Valmiki for knowledge of Vedanta. Katham atra bhavati. But why, you respected one? Atati, wandering here. Ashramat, out of his hermitage. Tasya ashramat, out of his hermitage. But why, you are respected one, wandering here out of his hermitage? Atrey. तत्र महान अध्ययन प्रत्युह उत्पन्नः. अध्ययन प्रत्युह. प्रत्युह मीन्स हर्डल, ऑब्स्टेकल, अ ग्रेट ऑब्स्टेकल. महान प्रत्युह, अ ग्रेट ऑब्स्टेकल हैज कम इन द वे ऑफ लर्निंग. अध्ययन, इन द वे ऑफ लर्निंग. तस्य भगवत केनापि देवता विशेषेण द्वारकद्वयम् उपनीतम्. ओ रिस्पेक्टेड लेडी. भगवत, ओ रिस्पेक्टेड लेडी, Daraka. Daraka means boys. Dvayam means two. The two boys by kenapi devata visheshena, by a certain deity, by a certain god, have been brought. Upanitam, have been brought. Kushalav iti tayoho namani, have been brought, whose names are iti tayoho namani, whose names are Kusha and Lava, whose names are Kusha and Lava. एकादश वर्षाणि यावत् भगवता वाल्मीकिना धात्री इव पोषितौ रक्षितौ च. Respected Valmiki, Bhagavata Valmikina, respected Valmiki has poshito, nurtured, rakshito and protected them for 11 years. Ekadasha Varshani, for the 11 years. Dhatri Iva means like a foster mother, like a dai, like a foster mother. Upanayanam krutva त्रैविद्याम अपि अध्यापितौ. कृत्वा त्वांतव्ये, after initiation, उपनयन संस्कार, after initiation त्रैविद्याम अपि अध्यापितौ, they have also been taught the three branches of knowledge. अति प्रदीप्त प्रज्ञा मेधे तयोः, they both have a dazzling intellect. प्रज्ञा मेधे means intellect. न अस्मान् दृशः सामान्यः छात्राः ताभ्यां सह अध्येतुं शक्नुवन्ति. न शक्नुवन्ति, it is impossible. न शक्नुवन्ति, it is impossible for सामान्यः छात्राः, for the ordinary students. ताभ्यां सह, for the अस्मान् दृशः, for the ordinary students, अस्मान् दृशः like us. ताभ्यां सह अध्येतुं, to study with them. It is impossible for ordinary students like us to study with them. Yatah, because वितरति गुरुः प्राज्ञे विद्यां यथैव तथा जडे, न खलु तयोः ज्ञाने शक्तिं करोति अपहन्ति वा. भवति हि पुनर्भूयान् भेदः फलं प्रति तद्यथा प्रभवति शुचिर्बिम्बग्राहे मनिर्न मृदां चयः. Guruh means a preceptor, a teacher. A teacher vitarati, gives. A teacher gives knowledge. Teacher gives knowledge to the intellect, means pradne means intellect, to the intellect, as well as jade, as well as the ignorant. A teacher gives knowledge to the intelligent student as well as the ignorant student. Na khalu tayoh jnane shaktim karoti apahanti va. Na khalu, he neither enhances. Tayoh jnane shakti karoti, he neither enhances or take away the apahanti, or take away the ability of their learning. Means the teacher neither enhances or takes away the ability of their learning. Bhavati hi punarbhuyan bhedah phalam prati tadyatha. But bhavati hi, but there is a great difference. Bhedah, difference. Bhuyan, great. There is a great difference in the result. Phalam prati, in the result. Tadyatha, just as manirna mrudam, manirna, suchibimbagrahe manirna. Suchibimbagrahe, a clear jewel, causes the reflection. Bimbagrahe, causes the reflection. Just as a clear prabhavati manirna, just as a clear jewel causes reflection. But mrudam chayah, but a heap of mud does not. Vanadevata. Adhyayan pratyuha. Is this the obstacle in learning? Atreyi. Anyacha. There is still another one. Anyacha. There is still another one. Vanadevata. Atha aparakah. Now what is the another one? Atreyi. Atha ekda सह महर्षिः माध्यदिन सवनाय तमसा नदीतीरम् अगच्छत्. अथ एकदा, One day, once, सः महर्षि, that great sage Valmiki, agachat, went to the river Tamasa नदीतीरम, went to the river Tamasa for माध्यान्हदीन सवयनाय, for the afternoon rituals or worship. तत्र वृक्षे एक कौञ्चयुग्मम् आसीत्. There, कौञ्चयुग्मम्, a pair of herons, is a kind of a bird. A pair of heron was sitting on the tree. सहसा व्याधेन तयोः एकबाणेन विद्धः. सहसा suddenly तयोः एकः, among them, one among them, तयोः एकः, one among them, विद्धः बाणेन, was hit by an arrow. विद्धः was hit by an arrow. व्याधेन, shot by a hunter. भूमौ पतितं निचेष्टं सहचरं दृष्ट्वा कौञ्ची व्यलपत्. दृष्ट्वा, seeing the सहचरं, companion, भूमौ पतितं निचेष्टं, seeing the companion fallen lying still on the ground, कौञ्ची व्यलपत्, the female heron lamented. व्यलपत्, lamented, दुखी होना, sad. Seeing the companion fallen lying still on the ground, the female heron lamented. तस्याः करुणं विलापं श्रुत्वा अकस्मात् महर्षेः मुखात् अनुष्टुप् छन्दसा अश्रुतपूर्वा दैवीवाणी स्फुरिता. तस्याः करुणं विलापं श्रुत्वा त्वान्तव्ये, hearing her sad lamentation, karuna vilapam, hearing her sad lamentation, akasmat, suddenly, दैवी वाणी, divine speech, ashrutapurva, which is unheard of before, came spontaneously. Spurita, means came spontaneously. Maharshi Mukhat, from the mouth of great sage, in Anushtup Chandasa, in Anushtup meter. Hearing her sad lamentation, suddenly divine speech, unheard of before, came spontaneously from the mouth of great sage in Anushtup meter. Ma nishad patishtam tvam gamah shashvatihi sama. O hunter, nishad means hunter, O hunter, you will never attain patishtha, you will never attain respect. Tvam gamah, you will never attain respect for eternal years. Shashvatihi, for eternal years. Vanadevata, Chitram, Amnayat Anantaram Nutanah Chandasama Avatarah. Beautiful. After the Vedas, this was the new form of matter. Anantaram, after the Vedas. Amnayat, after the Vedas, Nutanah, there was a new form of meter, Chandasa meter. Atre, तेन हि पुनः समयेन भगवान् ब्रह्मदेवः तत्र आविर्भूतः. महर्षि प्रबुद्धः असि. तेन हि, after a while, after some time, तेन हि पुनः समयेन, after a while, after some time, Lord Brahma, भगवान् ब्रह्मदेव, Lord Brahma appeared there. तत्र आविर्भूतः, appeared there. महर्षि प्रबुद्धः असि, रचय रामचरितम्. appeared there. Valmiki, who was ordered as, इति आदेशबद्धः सः वाल्मीकिः. Valmiki, who was ordered as, महर्षि प्रबुद्धः असि, O great sage, you are extremely intelligent. प्रबुद्धः, you are extremely intelligent. रचय रामचरितम्, do compose the story of Ram's life. रचय रामचरितम, लोट लकार रचय, do compose the story on Ram's life. सः वाल्मीकि रामायण रचयनां मग्नः असि. Now engrossed in composing the Ramayana. That Valmiki now engrossed in composing Ramayana. तस्मात् ब्रवीमि इदानीं तत्र अध्ययनम् असम्भवम्. Hence, ब्रवीमि, I say that इदानीं तत्र अध्ययनम् असम्भवम्. It is impossible to study there now. It is impossible to study there now. वनदेवता युज्यते. Right. अत्रेयी विश्रान्त अस्मि भद्रे. सम्प्रति अगस्त्य आश्रमस्य मार्गं कथय. विश्रान्त अस्मि. I am tired. Oh good lady. भद्रे I am tired. Oh good lady. Now अगस्त्य आश्रमस्य मार्गं कथय. Now please tell me the way Agastya's hermitage. Now please tell me the way Agastya's hermitage. I am tired. Oh good lady. Now please tell me the way Agastya's hermitage. In this way, not only would the Anushtup meter be conserved and brought into classical Sanskrit, but people would also get to know Lord Rama's life story. धन्यवादः.